In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off headphone safety notifications on iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. You can find this app on your home screen. It looks like a gear icon. Tapping this icon will launch the Settings menu, where you can customize various features of your device. This step is important because the Settings app is the central hub for managing all aspects of your iPhone. Once you open it, you'll see a list of options that control everything from Wi-Fi settings to notifications. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't used it before. Next, tap on Sounds and Haptics. This option is typically located a bit down the list in the Settings menu. When you select it, you'll see a range of sound-related settings, such as ringtones, alert tones, and vibration patterns. This section allows you to adjust how your iPhone alerts you with sound and vibration, enhancing your overall experience. Accessing this part of the settings is crucial for managing audio alerts, including those pesky headphone notifications that we are aiming to turn off. Now tap on Headphone Safety. You should see this option within the Sounds and Haptics menu. Once you select it, you will be directed to a screen that specifically deals with headphone usage. Here you can find settings related to sound levels and safety notifications. By navigating to this section, you are one step closer to managing how your iPhone interacts with your headphones. This is essential because it gives you control over your listening experience. After that, turn off headphone notifications. You will see a toggle switch for this feature. Simply tap the switch to turn it off. When you do this, the toggle will change color, indicating that the notifications are now disabled. This is a significant step as it removes those interruptions when you use your headphones. You can enjoy your music or podcasts without unexpected alerts. It is important to note that in some countries and regions, headphone notifications cannot be turned off due to local regulations and safety standards. If you don't see the toggle or if it is unavailable, this is likely the reason. This limitation is in place to protect your hearing by warning you when sound levels are too high. Understanding this context can help you avoid frustration if the option is not available on your device. With that done, you have successfully turned off headphone safety notifications on your iPhone. This small adjustment can greatly enhance your listening experience. You can now immerse yourself in your audio content without interruptions. Remember that controlling your headphone settings is an essential part of personalizing your device. It not only improves usability, but also ensures you can enjoy your preferred audio settings without fuss. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. Enjoy your music without those safety notifications.